Fixing credit after a car repossession is crucial, as it can occur voluntarily or involuntarily and affect your credit scores. To rebuild your credit score, it's essential to regularly check and monitor your credit report to spot errors that could lower your credit scores, especially with a derogatory remark on your report. Settling overdue bills is also vital. Discuss with your lender the best options to stay updated on current bills. Making on-time payments is a priority, as it plays a significant role in calculating credit scores. Additionally, avoiding maxing out credit cards is crucial, as it can lower your scores. And applying for necessary credit only is recommended, as each new application can potentially lower your scores by a few points. A car repossession can significantly affect your credit, as the lender or bank will inform credit bureaus of your financial behavior, resulting in a derogatory remark on your credit report. Credit scoring companies use the information on credit reports to calculate credit scores, so a car repossession will lower your scores. This can be an obstacle when applying for a similar loan in the future. The details of a car repossession can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years, depending on the credit bureau. By following these tips, you can work towards fixing your credit after a car repossession and improving your overall financial health.